Hello, in this video, I will be showing you how to boomerang on Snapchat. First, you need to make sure that you're logged into your Snapchat account. Now go to your camera roll and pick or select a video that you wanted to use as your boomerang. After you selected a video, click the three dots and click this Edit Snap. Now you have to choose this icon to loop your video, and then after that, you have to trim or move or adjust or shorten it to the middle. And then as you can see, it looks like boomerang already. As easy as that. Then click next and type a caption to make it more beautiful. Let's just say I'm going to type, this is how you make boomerang on Snapchat. After that, click next and share it to your Snapchat or to your other social media account. Thank you for watching.